Hey, ordered a box from, where is it? It's Active, right? Yeah, I ordered it from Active Skateboard Shop. They sell more than, yeah, Garrett's here too. They sell more than,
skateboards.
yeah, they sell like snow stuff. But, yeah, I ordered this. Let's see. I know it's in here, so it's not like a mystery.
I don't know, actually. I don't know.
Yeah, I never showed you. I showed a lot of people. But, so, I got my trusty razor blade.
There's a trash truck, so.
Oh yeah, that's loud. Jeez.
Wait, who sent you this? Timmy? Timmy.
Active. Are you? No, yeah, the
Timmy.
UPS guy, Timmy. Yeah,
Timmy,
he's cool. He made my day. Oh, I can see it here. Put this on the table. Why is my? I brought a table. Hey, yeah, I'm gonna go get the table. I brought this table down here so I can put the lid on. Holy nuts! You guys didn't see that, but the door fell out on me. That hurt. Don't do that. My box. All right, let's see. See what's in. Oh, I know it's inside again. So it is gripped. They gripped it for me. Oh, sick. Oh, sweet. I got stickers.
I call this drone.
No, just back off, kid. Give me my bubble wrap. All right, where's my sticker?
Yo, man.
Where's my knife? Stop. There's tape on it and stuff. I'm gonna cut the tape like a professional.
It's probably the most dangerous thing you do. Just hold a razor by the razor. So, girl.
I told you I had a girl. Stop messing with my bubble wrap, kid.
Dude, just unwrap it.
I'm gonna cut you. So yeah, I got many stuff. Oh, what? See that? Ow! They have a little screw up in their grip. Meanies? Alright, whatever.
Wait, what happened?
See that?
Yeah?
That's a screw up. It's not supposed to be like that. That is sick.
Whoa.
Do you see this?
Zoom in. Get the zoom.
I will zoom in, maybe. It's Eric Costin.
Eric Costin.
Lose your marbles.
Lose your marbles.
Garrett, shut up. Alright, this is tight.
Dude, why is it not supposed to... What do you mean?
Jeez, whoever gripped this was actually good.
That's terrible grip.
Yeah, I mean, it's good grip, Manny. Yeah, he's probably not going to watch this, but...
But
whoever is watching this, they did good.
Whoever individual...
They did okay, actually.
Whoever individual... What is that? Why is that not supposed... Ew.
Yeah, I know. It looks like they got crap on his leg. Anyway. Alright, it is time to set this... Can you stop? It is time to set this up. Next. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the board down. Hold on. Let me use your pillow for a second. Don't put it on there. Throw the rest of this out. Really? You only give me one sticker? Instead of the whole thing. There goes the box. This is my receipt. That's the sticker that goes on it. Maybe there's some stickers in this magazine. Oh, wait, what? Do I have this? No, maybe not.
That's the sticker, folks.
Garrett, get out of here. Alright, stop. Alright. So, we're gonna take the lead. Where's my screwdriver? Alright.
Now you will enjoy some classical music.
Garrett, shut up. Alright, so... now we got the trucks off. Bad deck. Well, actually, this is a great deck. It just chipped, and I gripped it terribly. Garrett, stop. Plan B, Ryan Sheckler. By the way, Ryan Sheckler, you suck because you lied. Plan B true, you didn't backside flip it.
Yeah, you did. Started you.
Alright, I'm pretty sure this was,
Through the gap.
Shut up, Garrett, stop, seriously. Yeah. But anyway. Oh yeah. Probably Jessup grip, I don't remember. away with that. Out with the old and in with the new.
Come on in, take a seat.
This is like made for gripping, dude. This is awesome. Ow, that hurt my knee. Something laughing at me.
Next to me, you know we
Best way to get rid of the grip. Screwdriver.
got what you need. We may be liars, preaching to choirs, but we can sell your dreams.
Ventures,
Yeah.
Reds, Spitfire Classic 4s.
Wait, Ventures, Thunders?
No, Ventures are Ventures.
You don't need sympathy, they got a pill for everything. Just take that dark cloud, bring it out to wash it down. But don't pray for us, we don't need no modern Jesus to roll with us. The only rule we need is never giving up. The only faith we have is faith in us. We're the ones who start little fires, yet they burn out. But when they're on the rise, they can't help but shine. And when the wave approaches, take our ashes to the ocean. Who cares if hell awaits? We're having drinks at heaven's gates. So don't play for us. We don't need no modern cheese.
It doesn't fall apart. And there we have it. Ow! Why?
What? I made some Cocoa Pops.
Whatever, alright. So,
I didn't have the spoon, so I had to use the ice cream scooper.
for the win. Alright. Well, Air Custom Pro Model, Girl Skateboards, Lose Your Marbles, that's what the Pro Model's called. Manny Santiago Pro Grizzly Grip, Reds Bearings, Spitfire Classic 4s, Ventures, Cocoa Puffs, and any kind of hardware I can find. Fine. Shout out to John Weidinger. Yeah, I don't know how to spell his last name, it's crazy. Porter Rudy. They all have a shut up. They all have YouTube channels. But
Patrick Hamlin.
Patrick Hanlon, Handlin, Porter Rudy, Porter, PorterRhudy. That's Porter Rudy's,
Just
and
put
then
text. Like,
John Weidinger. Yeah,
Right there.
we'll put the text
right
right
there.
somewhere above or on my face somewhere.
Right there.
Somewhere on my face. We'll have the YouTube
Shout
channel
out to
links.
Timmy.
Yeah, whoever gave me my package, I'll tell him to watch this. Yeah, but that's what it looks like when you don't take care of your bearings. But that's it. This is my unboxing / setup video. Goodbye.